I started playing golf when I was 7. Wanted to play the tour when I was 12 years old. Played junior golf, college golf, amateur golf, and then professional golf. Played the European tour. And throughout this whole journey of mine and golf, and now I have taught for a living for about 25 years, sun exposure was rampant and sunblock was not even thought of. So, basically we were out there without baseball hats, without sunglasses, sometimes playing in our bare feet. And so it's years and years and years of sun exposure. And that was basically the start of the skin cancer. I've had one on my cheek, forehead, ear, and eye, and bad enough where I've had Mohs surgery. We have frozen it. We have tried to do everything, but it all turned out to have Mohs. And if anybody is familiar with Mohs surgery, it's not an easy surgery, and it's a huge chunk of your skin that's taken out to get rid of the cancer and all its tentacles and roots. What you see from the outside is now healthier on the inside, because what you see on Instagram or social media, or even in that great picture spread that I did for Golf Magazine, what was happening on the inside is I was suffering, and I did have some problems, and it can be very serious. So I've been to many dermatologists because of the skin cancer, and it happened early on. It was in my 30s, and now I'm in my 40s, and I'm definitely not afraid to talk about it anymore because it was so prevalent. And you have to check your body constantly. But throughout this journey, the other dermatologists that I have seen, I felt like their technology wasn't up to par. The 3D images that you can see inside from even in an office visit. So in my profession, I use as much science and technology as possible so that I myself can measure and not guess. And I felt like as soon as I met Dr. Bowe, that is exactly what was happening. And so my relationship with her for the last 5-6 years, we have really worked scientifically from the inside out to diminish the skin cancer and hopefully not to have it come out even more. So what does that mean? So there are certain vitamins that you can find in her book that definitely spoke to me. So for example, HelioCare. There are probiotics within the book that she recommends that again dealt with skin cancer. There are prebiotic creams and probiotic creams that I would never even knew existed and needed her help and her book, which anybody can read and find out all this information to help you yourself if your symptoms are like mine. Clean, healthy, beautiful skin is just a version of what's going on the inside of my body. And so the mind, the body, the spirit, the soul, it's all connected. And so right now, I think we're in a very good place where it's all the same versus people just seeing me and not really knowing what's going on the inside of my body. Now I feel like everything is clean and we're reversing all the damage that's been done.